So welcome to the another next video. My name is Mohammed Sanskritani and today I will be making a live video on the fake.com. So without wasting any time, let's move to the video directly. So this is my just wallet. You can see my wallet balance is 0.1401414 BNB into my wallet. So just I will move to the website. So this is the website peanut.com. As you can see, as I have connected my BNB wallet over here. After the connecting my BNB wallet, you can see my initial deposit, initial withdrawal and initial referral reward. So I will just click over here on the withdrawal button. Once I click on the withdrawal, this will display my transaction fees and all. So once I click on approve over here, it will ask me for the passcode. Once I approve on the passcode, here you can see it was to 0.2901, and as I refresh over here, it will approve exact to 0.2944. So moving to the wallet, as you can see, my wallet balance has increased up to 0.17898789, approximately 4.75 USDT. So that's for the video. As you can see, live video, you can earn up to 8% of your initial investment mining over here. So this is the completely decentralized website. If you want to join the video, link is in the description. You can join my WhatsApp as well. I will assist you personally into this, and see you in the next video. That's it for the video. Tata, bye. Do like my channel and subscribe my channel and add good comments in my video if you like the video. Thank you.